Here today to talk about my English journey. Well, everything started when I was about 3 or 4 years old because of my father that used his English a lot in his business. And that made me get very interested about the language. And since then, I kept asking my parents to enroll myself into a course. And when I finally made 10 years old, they made my wish come true. And I've always enjoyed the language, mainly when I discovered that I could be very good at it. But just enjoying the language is not enough because the teachers also have a great person in this learning process. But all these items are not enough too because when you have to do something well done in our lives, we have to dedicate ourselves to the most and give our best always. And today I'm finishing one of my steps in this long journey with the conviction that I succeeded. And I owe it all to my parents that always supported me and to this incredible teachers team that I could always count on. Thank you.